Beautiful colourings. That's a juvenile Aussie king parrot, and it's a male. He's just starting to get his adult plumage. So you can see how people confuse him for a female. He's just starting to get his red, well, he's already got his red beak, reddy coloured beak. You can see how he's still got a lot of green around his head and chest, throat. His chest and shoulders are bright red, but you can see how people might confuse them as a female, especially when they're really young. But I hope that clears up a lot of confusion. Beautiful. He's thinking about coming down to the table here, but there's a couple of lorikeets here. They'll hassle him. They'll hassle him and stop him feeding unless he stands his ground. Which he will do. Maybe. And then maybe he might just take off. Feisty little characters, these little lorikeets. They love to annoy other birds and themselves sometimes. But yeah, look at that. Just a sewer of the moon. He didn't go far. He decided to take off. Thanks for that. Yeah, you too.